On today's episode, I'm mixing things up just a little bit.
I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm hurt. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm hurt. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning like 5 in the morning, I'm already on. So when you just getting out of the box, boy, I'm rounding the corner. This ain't a persona.
All right, I'm helping out in the paint department for a little bit this morning. I'm gonna get this Ford Focus all taped up so they can get this sprayed this morning. Then I'll get back to metalwork. What is up, everybody? Welcome to episode number 98 of Inside the Body Shop. I hope you guys are having a great hump day. Happy Wednesday. So today, I mixed things up a little bit. I was bouncing all over the shop today, doing a variety of lots of different things to try to keep the cars flowing and getting them through the system so we can get them all out when they're supposed to be due out. So I started in paint first thing this morning. I helped out get a car taped up and get a few things flowing through the paint department. And then I bounced around and did a bunch of different things, some priming, some fill work. I started on a bigger quarter panel repair on a Mazda 3. So I kind of did a variety of lots of different things today. A little different than your traditional shop. But at our shop, if you guys don't know, I've been asked quite a few times, we work as a team. The whole shop works as a team. So we all work together. So it's everybody's responsibility to make sure the cars get done and keep flowing through the system. It's called a linear process, lean process. So that's the way we run things, and I actually really like the system. There's pros and cons to everything, but I really like the way our shop works with all the people we have. So that's the way we do it. That's why you guys see me bounce around and do lots of different things on different episodes. But the majority of what I try to focus on is the metal work, so that's what you see a lot of. But that was my day today. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. If you do, be sure to click that share button. You guys know I greatly appreciate it. It helps me out a lot, so thank you guys. And I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Check out my day. There it is. Ready to get out of here and put together. Alright, I have the liftgate for this Suburban, the new one here. I'm going to scuff the edges up, and it has seam sealer that gets ran around the outer perimeter to seal up this lip where the front of the skin of the panel folds around. Alright, on to my next one. I have a Mazda 3 here that gets a quarter panel repair all in this area. I'm going to have to probably weld some tabs along this edge here to bring that out so it meets up with the door. And I'm going to pull the wheel off and bring out the wheelhouse first. So I'm going to dive into this one, get going on it. Alright, I welded a tab on here to bring this out to get it flush with the door.